Happy Father's Day to everyone. I really celebrate mothers and celebrate the Lord for making closing remarks and extending me to the word of God. From the depth of our heart, we thank our ancestors, missionaries and wives for not only studying Bible studies but also encouraging the students and making with us inspiring to see. And extend my deep sense of gratitude to all the directors, promoters of the support, patience, and the commitment. Next, I would like to thank the Director of this event, our lecturer for leading and inspiring us in working towards the goal of conducting this event. Thank you very much, sir. So I'm joined by the North Community Forum, the organizing committee, teachers, along with the teaching department, volunteers who went an extra mile to make the dream a reality. Thank you so much. I apologize if our organization summary